Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Fever. I'm Corey Lefevre, your host, coming direct to you from northern Utah in the United States. How are you doing today? I want to thank everyone for coming. I appreciate all of you. So today we got a good episode. I had a friend of mine reach out to me and ask me about the peach borer. And I've never actually run into this problem yet. I don't want to jinx myself, but I haven't yet. But in case you don't know what that is, it's a moth. Kind of looks like a hornet, but it's a moth that bores into the trunks of your peach trees and can kill them. And it's not just peach trees too. I know the name's kind of deceiving, but it could be nectarines, it could be apricots, it could be just fruit trees in general. So today I promised him that I would do my homework on him and help him with solutions. So I did a bunch of homework on it, and I thought it'd make a great video. So with that, let's get right into it. I'll share that information with you, and if you're having a problem with this pest, this is the video for you. Let's get into it. So, are your peach trees suddenly struggling? Wilting branches, oozing sap near the base? You might be dealing with a hidden enemy. It's known as the Peachtree borer. Let's break down what it is, what it does, and most importantly, how to protect your peach trees or your fruit trees. So what is a peach borer? Cynathodon extiosia? I probably butchered that. I'll just put the name down there. It's a clearwig moth whose larvae bore into the trunk of the peach tree or nectarine and other stone fruit trees. But don't be fooled. It does look menacing because it resembles a wasp, but it's not dangerous. It's the larvae that does the damage to the trees. These larvae, they hatch from eggs laid at the base of the tree, and then they burrow into the bark, feeding on the cambium layer of the trunk. This weakens the tree structure and can eventually even kill it, especially younger or stressed out trees. Here's some visuals so you can recognize the signs. Here's what to look for. It's sap mixed with sawdust at the base of the tree. This is called frass, if you're wondering. Gummy jelly-like sap oozing from the lower trunk, sudden wilting or branches or that die back. Stunted fruit production could be a sign too. Now let's talk prevention. This is what everybody's come for this video, is how do you prevent this? The best defense is a strong and healthy tree. I mean that goes true for any garden plant or plant. Is the stronger and healthier it is, the more it will naturally resist pests. But tip one. Keep your tree watered during dry spells. Mulch around the base, but don't let the mulch touch the actual base, especially in the hot summer months. Scoot it back a few inches from the base of the tree. Prune properly and avoid wounding the bark. The more wounds that are in the bark, the easier it is for it to burrow in. Tip 2, trunk protection. Apply a trunk spray around late June to early July, just before adult moths lay their egg. Make sure to thoroughly coat the lower 12 to 18 inches of the trunk. Tip 3, monitor the pheromone traps. See, pheromone traps could be a good one too. Use pheromone traps to monitor for adult moth activity. These buy you time for your spray treatments to be more effective and accurate. If borers are already in the tree, chemical sprays won't reach them because they're protected kind of by the bark. So insecticides and stuff don't work too well once they're already in. But you still have a few options. Use a wire or a knife to carefully probe and kill the larvae inside the tunnels of the tree trunk. Be gentle to avoid damaging the trunk further. You don't want to add to the damage, so you almost have to be surgical about it. Some gardeners use beneficial nematoids, or microscopic worms that you apply to the soil around the base of the tree. These attack the borer larvae before they enter the tree. So with that, I hope that helps you. If you've dealt with the peach borer tree, like I said, I personally haven't yet, knock on wood. But if you have, please leave your tips in the comments and help share and spread the knowledge. And with that, I'd like to thank you for joining today. I truly am appreciative. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, help the video in the algorithm. And I'm Corey Lefevre, and above all, let's make this world a paradise. 1 yard at a time, 1 garden at a time, 1 inch at a time.